You having fun?
Yeah. I never got rain out here before.
I know, you're breaking into your new umbrella. It's nice and rainy now.
Can I bring it inside?
No! It's gonna be all wet. You have to leave it out here.
Wipe it all up.
Nope. You better splash while you can, because we're gonna go inside soon. You're getting Ezra all wet.
Huh?
You're getting Ezra's legs all wet. Stella, you're getting his legs wet with your feet when you splash like that. Put your hood up so you don't get water inside your hood. Stella, put your hood up. You're getting water inside of it. First splash, first splash. Do you need some help?
Yeah.
Come over here. Turn around. There you go.
Ezra, come over here.
Ezra.
Come over here. Oh no, I'm getting wet.
Uh-oh. Our porch makes a pretty nice puddle, huh? Our porch gets a pretty nice puddle. Oh, Ezra, come here. Quick, quick, quick. Come here. Come here. Get him covered up. Get that hood on. You okay, bud? Stella, come here, Ezra. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. You're getting wet. Stella, stop. There you go. It's cold, isn't it? Cold water.
It's making my socks get mud cold.
Hey, what? Are you too wet? Aren't you gonna go splash? Are you gonna go splash?
Yeah.
Go on.
Come on, Ezra. Let's go splash. Whee! Oh no.
Are your feet getting too wet?
Yeah.
If they get too wet, we'll go inside.
I got wet. I got water in my boots. I need my hand wash.
Yep.
When can we wash this up?
You don't need to wash it. The rain is washing it.